Did you know that our team don't just do your regular servicing, logbook servicing, we also do fleet servicing. So we know how important it is for you and your team to be on the road and not on the hoist. So we will take the time to keep the car on the hoist for a day or so, make sure everything's up to speed, everything is well maintained, and we take that little bit extra care and attention. Just like we do with our general services, just because the information is going back to a fleet company doesn't mean that we forget how important communication is between us as well. So we still give you our pictures, we still do the rundown on the vehicle, and we also like to know how the driver of the vehicle is finding things that are going wrong or coming up with the vehicle as well, so we can make sure when they get back in the vehicle that they feel safe as well. The reason we know this process works is because of many vehicles we're servicing like this one, we're also end up servicing the drivers' families' vehicles, their personal vehicles, their friends and their family vehicles. So that tells us, as well as what people are saying, that we're doing our job well and keeping your business running on the road.